Hello all my friends. In this video I'm going to talk about the shipping frame. I don't know if you notice the news or read the news on the television that the world situation is very bad, and recently the shipping time is a little bit delayed. So I'm making this video to especially to remind all my customers that after you order the hair, normally you will receive the tracking number, whatever it is, DHL tracking number or the FedEx tracking number. You will receive the tracking number from us on the same day or the next day. And please pay attention. If you don't receive the tracking number for one day, you can contact us, then we will send the tracking number to you. Because sometimes I don't know if the system will send the tracking number to you or not. Some customers, they told me that they will receive the tracking number from us from the system. But some customers told me that they don't receive the tracking number. So if you don't receive the tracking number after you order the hair for one day, then you please contact us. Do you know why I'm saying this? Because it's much better that you check the package online in 3 days. Normally when you receive the tracking number, we strongly advise all our customers at this moment now, you can check the package online after 3 days. After 3 days, you will see where the package is. Within 3 to 4 working days, you contact DHL or FedEx to make sure what time they will deliver the hair to you. Because there's a case happened that the shipping company, sometimes they just drop the package outside the house and they don't even call you or contact you because they don't because they think the coronavirus situation is very bad. They don't want to touch with people, so sometimes they will drop the package outside your house, and maybe you are waiting for them. Maybe you are waiting for them to call you. But please, after 3 to 4 working days, you call them or you check the package online to see where the package is and call them. Make sure what time they will deliver the package to you. This is a safe way for you guys to receive the package. Please. So I'm making this video just to make sure all my customers, they notice this situation around the world. You know, there is war. There's war on the other side, and the situation is also very bad. And recently, you know, we are working very hard here, and we are shipping hair every day. Some customers, they don't understand why the package sometimes we get delayed shipping to them. They don't understand the situation. They just will tell me that, hey Hamed, I don't care what the situation is. I just want to get my package in time. So if you are this type of customers, please, before you order the hair, make sure we understand each other. We need to understand each other, because when you order the hair, we ship the hair out without delay on the same day or on our working day. We don't delay shipping. But after we ship the hair out, the package out, it's out of our control. So it depends on the world situation. So please, you receive the tracking number, check the package online in 3 days. And call them. You will see where the package is, and you call the DHL FedEx to arrange the time or to let them tell you what time they will deliver the hair to you. So do not just wait at home. Don't think they will, oh okay, I'm waiting for them to deliver the package to me. I will just stay at home, wait for them. No, don't do this. This is the critical time. You call them, confront the time with them. It's much better way. I hope you can understand this. So thank you very much for watching this video.